Hello everyone and welcome to another easy way video where I'm going to show you the best and fastest way to reach level 20 in Valorant with the new AP update. Let's dive right in. Okay, so with the new AP update, leveling has changed. Here's what you need to know. Well, you can now level up from level 1 to 100, new color rewards for reaching certain levels, and instead of XP, you now need AP points, so each level requires 5000 AP points. Now, you might be wondering, how do you get AP points? Well, playing games, you earn points playing any game mode, and the first match bonus, you get a bonus of 1000 AP for the first match you play each day. So, to break it down further, you get 1 AP point per 6 seconds of gameplay. That's 10 AP points per minute. If you win a game, you get an additional 50 AP points as bonus. Okay, so you can gain AP points in every game mode, unrated, competitive, spike rush, etc. From my experience, if you win a competitive match, you can earn around 3000 AP points. However, if you want to level up as quickly as possible, here's what I recommend. Play at least one game per day to get the first win bonus, and play Spike Rush. Spike Rush is the fastest mode because the games are shorter, like 4-6 rounds, and you get 50 AP points per win. So by stacking these wins, you can level up pretty quickly, and remember to enjoy the game and have fun while you win those levels. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Get out there, earn those AP points and hit level 20 in no time. See you in the next video. Bye!